Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPhone isn't playing a sound when you receive a message, there are a few things that could be causing it. Whether it's a simple setting that needs adjusting or a more stubborn issue, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, check your volume and silent mode. Open settings, find sounds and haptics, and make sure the ringer and alerts volume slider is set high enough. If it's too low, message notifications might be playing, but you just can't hear them. Also, make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. If the silent switch on the side of your phone is flipped down, notifications won't make any sound. While you're in sounds and haptics, tap text tone and choose a sound for your incoming messages. If this is set to none, your iPhone won't play any notification sounds for text. Next, check the notification settings for messages. Go to settings, then notifications, messages, and make sure allow notifications and sounds are turned on. This section also lets you customize how notifications appear, so you can tweak it based on your preference. If notifications are disabled here, that would explain why you're not hearing message alerts. Another thing to check is your message threads. Open the Messages app and look through your conversations. If a specific chat is muted, you won't hear notifications for new messages from that person or group. To check, swipe left on a conversation. If you see a bell icon with a line through it, that chat is muted. Tap it to unmute and restore message notifications for that thread. You should also make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode isn't blocking notifications. Go to Settings, then the focus and check if Do Not Disturb or another mode is turned on. If it is, your iPhone may be silencing notifications automatically based on your settings. If you need notifications to come through, turn off focus mode or adjust the settings to allow messages while it's active. If none of these steps fix the issue, you can try basic troubleshooting methods. Restart your iPhone. This can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting notification sounds. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can reset all settings by going to Settings, then General, and find Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, and then tap on Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will restore all system settings, including sounds and notifications, to their default state. That's how you can fix message notifications sound issues on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.